I have a haul video and that I wanted to make. I found this beautiful, oh boy, let me see, is that coming in? Linen tape, Tim Holtz, and it normally was $7.49. I got it for $3.93 at the sale. I just love that. I mean, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yeah, everything I want in a ribbon. I also got some washi tape, not Tim Holtz. Not everything was. This was a Bo Bunny, and it is Willows and Sage washi tape, and I just think that is gorgeous colors. Look at those beautiful colors. So pretty. Like, that's my vibe. This one right here is especially my jam. And that washi tape was $7.49, and I got it for $3.93. I found these. It's Paige Evans stickers, and it's this whole beautiful set. I hope you can see it all. And it has these, which you can write in on, or you could use one of the little dymos and make some labels. Use a label maker. I mean, I have another label maker that I use, so I could use label makers, or I could handwrite it. And then these were the ones that just, yeah. I love the sunshine. That's my name. And then this page, again, labels that you could use a label maker or the Dymo, you know, punchy thing. And then these beautiful, and I think these, I can't tell if they're white or clear backed, but just love that. Love the teapot. Yep, I'm a teapot girl. And then it had words. And that's one thing I never think to buy. I was going to buy the Tim Holtz words while I was there, and I didn't. But this had words. It has these funky flowers, but I love the colors. And the little envelope. So sweet. And then it has these beautiful. Now these may be something you've seen before, but they were new to me. I haven't been out shopping for a while, so that was $5.49 originally, and I got it for $2.88, which to me that was a bargain. If you know me, you know I like my skulls. And I thought these would be really cool to use. How cute would that be to put a skull at the end of one of them? Yes, I think that would be adorable. And so those were also on sale. They're the Hildy and Joe. These were also on sale. It's the Strand Fiesta Small Skull. They were 60% off, and it was $6.49. I got them for $2.60. I got an applique because I want to put that on the front of my next junk journal because I just love Suns. It was $4.99. I got it for $3.74. The Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree down in Topsom, Maine, and I found this cute craft paper Jot composition book. Anyway, I was really excited. It's 100 sheets. I can't wait to start working with it. Now, I've not found them in this green color before. I've got blue, I've got pearl, I think I might have another color. But then I found the green, and I was like, find that. Some of the stamps I found, I hadn't seen these ones before. And They were just so pretty. They look like Valentine ones, but I hadn't seen them at my Dollar Trees. I mean, up around where I live. So, love that. It looks like snake skin or alligator skin. I love these ones because they are flat, so they work well in a junk journal, not bulk. I mean, it'll bulk it a little bit, but it's not going to be really bad bulky. And then I found these ones, and I swear I had some like this, but it's not exactly with that color scheme in it. So I think those are really pretty too. I hope there's not too much of a glare. Let's see. And I love the compass. And I think it says, enjoy the everyday, sweet home, family. Yeah, just thought they were so pretty. The key, oh, love those. And then I found these ones, which I have a bunch of different stickers. I'm a stickerholic. Hi, my name is Annie. I have a problem with stickers. I hadn't seen these ones before, but just look at that. With the little, it looks like grapes or maybe blueberries, but so pretty. Maybe it's eucalyptus. Oh, but they're so pretty. Yep. And these ones, you know, they're tricky in a junk journal, but if you do scrapbooking or if you do card making, these would be lovely, you know, sayings on a card. Then, these little cuties, I had not seen these. They weren't at my Dollar Tree, but they were at this other Dollar Tree that we went to. And these were so sweet. Well, it says binders in stationery. I haven't seen them. I don't know what the binder is they're talking about because I didn't see it. My plan, my way is what it says here. And then these ones with the little arrow stickers, flag stickers, and these ones were daily stickers. I happened to go to my local Dollar Tree and found these beauties, and I have been looking, and they had, and this is Augusta, Maine, they have the orange, they have the pink, and they have the teal. I didn't want the pink and teal. I wanted it to look like real butterflies because I think this is what I'm going to put on my planner that I've been making. And you know what I want to do? I want to open these because I've been dying to open these to look at them. Oh, ASMR there for you. Let's see. Now the big butterfly. Oh, these are real. Wow. These are sturdy and they are really pretty. Oh, sparkly. It's really bad when I see a sparkly. Oh my goodness. There's two big ones. Oh, and it does say that there's 33 and they're butterfly die cuts. I can't get over this for $1.25. I mean, even though they've gone up, I still look at those. I can't believe how pretty these are. Can you see that? These are beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And then there's two of these ones. I'm just gonna set them up here. Oh my gosh, they're all so pretty. I'm having a butterfly problem. So there's two of those. I'm gonna try to get some of the bigger ones. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I didn't know there was two of every one. Alright, move those out of the way. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Yeah, you're gonna hear me the whole time freaking out about how pretty they are. Oh my gosh, I love butterflies. My mom did too. Oh, look at that. There's two of each one. Can you see that? Does it show? Can you see how pretty it is? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to do this and I'm not very good at it. Oh, so pretty. Oh, whoops, sorry. I wanted you to see the glisten. Oh, those are so pretty. These ones, I think these ones might be my favorite. Though I don't know, because I like these ones too. Look at that. That's so pretty. Now it makes me want to see what the other ones look like. I can't imagine that the camera's doing these justice. Because these are so pretty. Now I want to know what the teal and the pinky colored ones are. but to me they didn't look as realistic. These really are great. Oh, and these ones, oh my gosh. Look at how pretty. Oh, I hope you can see them. And I should have measured them. I didn't want this video to be 100 years long, but okay. And then the small ones, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Yeah, I'm sounding like a broken record, I know. I'm just amazed that this is from the Dollar Tree. That makes it sound bad. I don't mean it that way, but it's just like, for a dollar store, these are beautiful. So there's 3 of these. And there is 3 of these beauties. And they are, I mean, they are just so gorgeous. It's showing the shine. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And there's 3. Oh, hold it. Oh, I lied. I'm so sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 in that bunch, which I totally get that because they're small. And there's 4. Is there 4 of those? I might have miscounted. Oh my gosh, I can't get a hold of anything on this table. Yeah, it looks like there's 4 of those. 3 of those. 5 of those. Oh, those are my, oh, I love that color. Those are really beautiful. And there's 3 of those. And then there's even smaller ones. Oh, hold on, let me move these out of the way. Okay, slide up there, slide up. There's these cuties. Oh, there's one more of those. And then these 5 are the last. And they're the smallest. I'm going to hold one up and see if I can get it so you can see it good. Oh, look at that. So pretty. And they're really sturdy. I mean, it's cardstock, definitely cardstock. I mean, not super thick cardstock, but quite sturdy. I'm impressed. Dollar Tree did it again. Alright, so this is my haul. If you like this haul and you want to see more of them, if I'm messing up horrible, I apologize, but yeah,